Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Brigii MX30 Handheld Vacuum. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 60 bucks. Now this is another one of those simple and effective tech products. Alright, so let's get right into it. First, let's go through the product details. Alright, so this is the Brigii MX30 Handheld Vacuum. Clean on the go. Now you got 12,000 PAs, that's for your suction. The battery life on this is going to run for about 20 minutes straight. It's USB Type-C charging, and it weighs about 1.13 pounds. Okay, so you got a brushless DC motor. The motor speed is 80,000 RPMs, and the suction power is 12,000 PAs, that's 25 AWs. Now it comes with a multi-surface tool, suitable for cleaning tabletops, sofas, and other hard surfaces. Now if you got pets, you know what this looks like already. You got a 2-in-1 brush nozzle, clean through tough messes in the car interiors, crevices, and corners, or other delicate surfaces. Now, this is one of my main uses. So you got crevice cleaning, cleaning between your couch cushions, car interior cleaning, and delicate surface cleaning for your office, your lounge, okay, your laptops. You got USB Type-C charging. You got a triple filtration system, which prevents emissions of more than 99.96% dust. And you got a washable HEPA filter. So what comes in the box, you got the vacuum, the 2-in-1 brush nozzle, the multi-surface tool, USB Type-C charging cable, and the base. All right, so all of that for 60 bucks. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. She's scared of vacuum cleaner noise. Now let me say this. I highly recommend this product. How do I know? This is the one that I use right now, right before every video. Now, even though this looks like a wooden table, it's really cloth. And y'all see White Shoes be up here all the time, putting cat hairs on the table. And if you look inside, this is full with cat hairs. Okay, so I highly recommend this one. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, again, 60 bucks on this. Simple and effective tech. Brigii makes life simpler. Simple and effective tech. Now we're going to keep this video short and sweet, but we're going to test everything out. So inside, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You're going to get the base. Okay, so this is how you're going to store it on your table. Okay, here's your multi-surface tools and your USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's take a look at the actual vacuum. Here it is. Okay, now this is simple and effective tech. You got your power button. All you got to do is hold it on. You got a little LED light, and it turns right on. Okay, you got your vents. Okay, real nice, real simple. To open it up, just unlock it. You see you got a little diagram, lock and unlock. And this is how you're going to change your HEPA filter. Okay, so you can take this out, wash it, clean it back up. This also has the little diagram right here. So once you put it in, click it to lock. Put the top back on. You see you got that little line right there. Click it to lock, and you're good. Okay, USB Type-C charging slot. When you want to add your tools, all you got to do, you see that little line on the top? Slap it on. Now you can use the brush. This is how you clean your laptop, your keyboards, okay, delicate surfaces. Push that button, slide it back down. Now you can just vacuum up big stuff. Then you pop this off, out on the next tool, and you get more cleaning surface area. Simple and effective tech. Now let me put some stuff on the table and let's vacuum it up. All right, so real quick, let me show you how to use the stand. Now when you finish cleaning up, all you got to do, grab the MX30, place it right there. You're going to grab your multi-surface tools and just slap them in just like that. Perfect storage. All right, so we're going to start off with one of the things that I see the most in my house, kitty litter. Now, if you got a cat, you know what this looks like. Okay, let me show you how to. Okay, now look, ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes popped up, but she's going to bounce once I turn on this vacuum. Okay, so Shoes always makes kitty litter messes. Here's what I do. Grab the MX30, turn it on, and watch this. You see all of this? Look at that. Picking up all the kitty litter, all the cat hairs. Okay? And this is a lot. Look at that. Do one more pass. And we'll get any residual hairs up. This is exactly how I clean the table right before each video. Turn this off. Now, open it up and look at that. Simple and effective check. All right, so if you got kids, you've seen this before, cereal all over your kitchen. Let's go ahead and clean this up. So we're gonna hit the power button. Big chunks of Frosted Flakes. Look at that. Okay, just like that. Any residuals? And there it is. Now, one more side note. You seen me review the smaller Brigii vacuums? Here's why I like this one better. Look how much more it holds. All right, so here's another common thing you're gonna see. Food dropping all over the place. Now, my girlfriend happens to be Mexican, so I see a lot of beans and rice all over the place. Let's go ahead and clean this up. So now we got on the small tool. Just gonna power this up. And watch this. All right. Send all these beans and rice to the border. I'm just kidding. But look at this. Look at this. Hit the button just like that. All right, so here's something else a lot of people deal with. Snacks. If you got kids, you got company over to watch the game, you're gonna have snacks all over the place. I like to leave one of these laying around so nobody have to feel guilty. You drop some snacks, just go in the corner, grab this off the table, turn it on. Big peanuts. Look at these big raisins, Doritos, sunflower seeds. You name it. Look at that. This is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Now, I didn't empty out the basket because I want y'all to see how much it can actually hold. Now, before I show you some other surfaces, let me show you the thing that annoys me the most, the inside of cigars. Now, people that smoke, you know what I'm talking about. You open up a cigar, you accidentally drop it. This is what it looks like. Grab the MX30. No more getting on your hands and knees, trying to pick up stuff. Look at this. Just that fast, just that easy, and everything is nice and clean. Perfect. All right, now I like all my keyboards to be nice and clean, so every now and then, I grab the vacuum, add the brush nozzle. Trolling me today. Just get all the dust. I was watching the video. Get all the dust off my keyboard. So you see my keyboards always stay nice and clean. Look at that. There it is. All right, so let me show you how this works on hardwood floors. Now, this is another thing that really annoys me when you opening up boxes and you get the styrofoam all over the place. We're gonna grab the MX30, turn it on, and look at that. Now, this works even better on hardwood floors. Okay. Perfectly clean. All right, so let me show you how it works on carpets. Now, you know, if you got a carpet and you drop some chips, you want to clean that up immediately. So we're going to grab the MX30, power it up, and look at this. All those big chunks, just like that. Look how fast and easy this is. Keep your carpets looking nice and clean. Now for this last test, this is what I use this vacuum for the most, cleaning out the inside of the car. Now every couple of weeks I like to do a real vacuum, but in the meantime, if I'm just being a fat ass and I got a bunch of snacks in the car, clean up all the big stuff. Okay. Get in between all those crevices, all the corners. Okay. Get all the big stuff up. The seats. Okay. Look at that. Nice and clean. The cup holders. Okay, get in there. Clean everything out. But most importantly, these corners. Okay. I like to keep these corners as clean as I can. Perfect for the car, USB Type-C charging. Let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, now I know somebody's gonna say, what about the battery life? 20 minutes, it doesn't seem like it's that long. But you gotta remember, this is not meant for you to get on your hands and knees and vacuum your whole living room, your whole bedroom, your whole dining room. This is for small cleanup jobs. Now, when you finish, just open this up. Look at all that dirt, garbage, and debris. Dump it out. Okay, I'm gonna take off this filter, clean this off, drop this back on. This is exactly what I do in real life. Okay, lock this back up, and you see I dropped a little bit of stuff on the table. Just go ahead and clean that up, just like that. And every time you use it, you put it back on the charger. 20 minutes is excellent battery life for a handheld vacuum with this size and this function. All right, so you've seen the cleaning power for yourself. Simple and effective tech. It's simple to use with effective results. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Brigii MX30 a major go. And one of my favorite things about this vacuum is USB Type-C charging. So my advice, buy 2 of them. Leave one in your house, one in your car. Keep all your stuff nice and clean. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.